Yeah.
Code Regimental Superintendent of Police, St. Elizabeth Division. This morning at about 10 a.m., a team of officers conducted an operation in the Grasman community, that is in the Santa Cruz police space. A particular premises was searched. At the end of the operation, a total of 836 rounds were recovered. The breakdown: 702 2.2 cartridges, 85 9mm rounds, 49.38 cartridges, one 9mm magazine, one 2.2 magazine, as well as a .38 handle of a weapon were recovered in this operation. We continue to appeal to citizens in this parish to share any information you have with the police regarding those who are committing criminal offenses or even strange persons that you may see in your area that you're unfamiliar with. This level of ammunition fine underscores the point that we have persons in this parish that are arming themselves for criminal activities, and we intend to go strongly after those who are committing criminal offenses and to build case files and bring them before the courts. We continue to appeal to persons, those who are committing offenses, to desist and to seek an attorney and to have your day in court. We also want to make the appeal that if you are challenged by the security forces not to engage us, we're better trained, we're better resourced, and we will come out on top.
Yes. So have anybody taken into custody?
This operation, no one was arrested. There is an ongoing investigation surrounding this fine. I want to use this opportunity because the intel arm of the division has been providing significant efforts in supporting information and intelligence in St. Elizabeth. And this is supported by our National Intelligence Bureau that also shares information with us. And so St. Elizabeth is a parish that information continues to flow from various areas and departments, and we're going after those who are committing the offenses in the parish.
Is this the biggest fine in the parish?
Certainly is the biggest since the last couple of years. Looking at the data, it is certainly one of the largest fines in recent times.
So can you compare the total amount of fines since last year to this year?
2023, this time, we had 165 rounds of ammunition being recovered. This year, we're up to 1,263.